In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Square with your Shopify store. This integration helps synchronize your products, payments, and inventory between both platforms for smoother store management. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage all apps and integrations connected to your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar at the top and type Square. From the search results, look for the app called Square Integration DPL and click on it. This app is designed to connect your Shopify store with your Square account for inventory and payment synchronization. Now click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions during the setup process. Simply continue through the prompts to complete the installation. After the app is installed, you may be asked to confirm the installation again. If prompted, click Install once more to finalize the setup. Next, the app may offer a free trial period so you can test the integration features before subscribing. Click Start Free Trial if you want to continue with the trial version. Now sign in to your Square account when prompted and authorize the connection between Square and Shopify. Once connected, you'll be able to sync products, inventory, and sales data between both platforms. This can help simplify order management and improve inventory tracking across your online and physical sales channels. After setup is complete, review your synchronization settings carefully to make sure everything is configured correctly for your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Square with Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.